Hi everybody, Patrick here from EngineeringShock.com, ElectronicLessons.com, and PaintballProfs.com. This is part 2 of how to make your own resistor-based keypad. Use only one analog to digital input to control 10 or more buttons. You can really do 2 buttons, 3 buttons, 10 buttons, 100 buttons if you have resistors with precision. And so what we're going to do is, if you haven't seen the first video, we talked about the schematic, how it works. Right now I've got 3 wires coming from the back of my resistor keypad. One's for 5 volts, one's for ground, and one is our analog signal. So I'm going to connect ground, which in this case is green, to the ground pin on the Arduino. My red wire to the 5 volt line on the Arduino. And my signal line, which is purple, to my A0 pin. Now let's look at the code.
This code is very simple, and we're going to build on this code in part 3. First thing we do is define our integer, keypad, and this is essentially going to be a temporary storage spot for us to hold our analog to digital information. In our void setup, the serial begin command, 9600, means that we're going to be communicating with the serial monitor at 9600 baud. In void setup, very simple, we take an analog reading from the A0 line, the analog to digital line, and we place that result into keypad. We serial print the result is space, and then we print the result, which is stored in keypad. Then we wait 500 seconds and we sample again. We keep sampling. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to run this program, and we're going to press different buttons, and you'll see what the results return as.
Sorry for the awful view, hopefully you can see it. So if I press the button that's connected to the resistor close to the ground line, I'm going to receive a small digital value, whereas if I press the button closest to the VCC 5 volt line, I'm going to receive an upper value close to 1024. The lower end is 0 volts, the upper end is 5 volts, 1024, 10 bits of information. So if I press the button closest to 5 volts, 915, then 1 down, 812, 1 down, 714, 1 down, 621, 1 down, 530, 441, keep going down, 353, 266, button 9, 178, and lastly, button 10, 89. So we're working our way down the resistor divider. If you haven't already watched video part 1, watch it. It helps this make much more sense. So in our next video, what we're going to do is we are going to decode this, make it so that the system can understand each of these values as a specific button being pressed, and we're going to add in a decode sequence. And from there, you can use this circuit and this code and understand how it's working and use it for your own specific circuits. Thanks for watching, everyone.